Let f of x equals 4x cubed minus 1. And g of x equals the square root of x plus 5 all over 4. Find g of f of 2. Now, I did say that correctly, g of f of 2. What I want to do is, if I'm actually evaluating a composite, I want to find the inside part first, the f of 2. So let's do that. F of 2 is going to be 4 parentheses. Instead of x, make a 2 there, cubed minus 1. Okay, so 4, let's actually write it over here where I have a little bit more space, not underneath. PEMDAS says do the 2 first, so 2 to the third power is 8. Then multiply 32 minus 1 is going to be 31. So that's f of 2. So f of 2 is 31. So when I want to find g of f of 2, I'm really finding out g of 31. So take g, replace every x in g with parentheses 31 plus 5, and then it's a matter of simplifying. Okay? 31 plus 5 underneath the square root is a nice 36, a perfect 36, if you will. The square root of 36 is 6, and 6 over 4 is, they're both divisible by 2. Simplifies out to the nice fraction, 3 halves, and that's C.